You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, including from fashion, confusing vocabulary in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. A bag, rectangular, leather bag, satchel, how to pronounce satchel. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. Satchel as in satchel bag. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.